The Sword of Pendragon, Episode 3.
Why do you want the Sword of Pendragon?
To help the king. There is a dragon outside the castle.
I don't like kings and castles. The king is rich, but his people are poor and hungry.
Do you like horses?
Yes, I do. Why?
There's a beautiful white horse on the hill. Look!
That isn't a horse. That's a unicorn. Unicorns are magic animals.
Listen! I can hear people in the forest.
They're hunters. They want the unicorn.
Oh no! Stop them, Will!
Give me your cloak, Miranda. Quick!
Later.
Look, there's the white unicorn. Get it! It's fast! Look! It's there! Wait! That isn't the unicorn! That's a white cloak!
Where is Will?
I'm here. The hunters are kilometers from here now.
Oh, well done!
There's the unicorn again.
I can hear a voice in my head. It's the unicorn.
Thank you.